So here's our Luna update. We're still pregnant, waiting for our babies. We're 1 day late so far. And let me introduce Blazing Astro Ramos. He had a boy. But here he is, and here she is. They're loving each other. There they are. Luna, are we good, Mama? Look at this baby bump. Aww. So when she goes into labor, I'll post a video here. If you guys want to follow Joe, it's at Joe2721 on TikTok. We got to get him up to 1,000 followers, and I'll go live there. If not, we're going to Instagram, Love Luna Lou Pups. Look for us, guys.